In this video, you'll learn how to create a Vercel account from scratch, step by step. By the end, you'll be fully set up and ready to start deploying your projects on Vercel, even if you've never used the platform before. Let's start at the very beginning. First, open your preferred web browser and go to vercel.com. You can type vercel.com directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window, then press enter. Make sure you're on the official site. You should see the Vercel logo and a clean, minimal interface focused on deployment and collaboration for front-end frameworks. Once the homepage is loaded, look toward the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see an option that says Sign Up. This is what you'll use to create your new account. Go ahead and click on Sign Up. If your window is small or you're on a mobile device, you may need to open a menu icon first, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, and then find the Sign Up option inside that menu. After clicking Sign Up, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose your plan type and enter some basic information. Vercel typically offers different plan options, such as a free plan for individuals and paid plans for teams or businesses. If you're just getting started, the free or hobby plan is usually more than enough, and you can always upgrade later as your needs grow. On this same screen, you'll also be asked to enter your name. Type in the name you want associated with your Vercel account. This is often your real first and last name, but if you're creating an account for a brand or a team, you might choose the name that best represents that. Take a moment to double check the spelling, because this name can appear in various parts of the interface and shared links. Once you've selected your plan type and filled in your name, look for the button labeled Continue. Click Continue to move on to the next part of the sign-up process. If the button appears inactive, make sure you've completed all required fields on the page, such as confirming any terms or options, then try again. Now you'll be asked how you want to sign up and authenticate your account. Vercel gives you several convenient options here. You can continue using your Google account, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, Apple, or a direct email sign-up. All of these methods ultimately create the same kind of Vercel account. The difference is just how you log in. If you already store your code on a platform like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, using that option can make it easier to connect your repositories later, since Vercel will integrate directly with those services. If you prefer using a general identity provider, Google or Apple can be a smooth choice. And if you'd rather keep things separate, you can always choose the email option and follow the prompts to verify your address. Once you've picked your preferred sign-up method and completed any quick verification steps it asks for, your Vercel account will be created. From here, you'll be ready to explore the dashboard, connect your first project, and start deploying.